Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 stocks to be keeping in your watch list for today. Today's going to be a very interesting day, and the market is already up right now, so you can expect some big move happening today. Also, I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions from yesterday's video as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started with the SPY. The SPY futures, right? So right off the bat, it's not collapsing. It's not collapsing. It's not collapsing here. It's not collapsing here. It's trading sideways here. And I actually like the way it's looking right now for a move all the way up to like 36.50. So definitely watch this one for a potential long. It didn't want to collapse overnight. It's still going up here. There's a lot of buyers stepping into this and they're not letting go. They're not letting go of the SPY, and honestly, I think it could make a big move upwards towards 36.50 or towards 3700. So definitely keep, if you trade the SPY, then hey, keep this on your watch list for sure. It may make a big move today, right? Now, the very first stock that we should cover is Snapchat. And the reason why I want to cover Snapchat is because Snapchat has been consolidating for so long, for a very long time. All right. And the stock is just holding up this level right here. And so far it's actually not looking that bad. I just want to see one green candle all the way up to $40 before I'm very convinced that we're gonna move higher to like $45. But right now it's not looking bad. It's really not looking bad. There isn't any news at all related to the stock. But then again, just watch this one for today. It may surprise a lot of people. Move up to like this region before we can pop to 41 or even 42 will be very nice. So keep Snapchat on your watch list for today. That is my very honest opinion. It's just flat. And when things are flat, all of these short sellers get worried. And when they get worried, that means that there's a potential opportunity for longs to make money off of the stock. So just keep that in mind. The next one that we're going to be talking about is Fastly. Fastly. I talked about Fastly yesterday and how I wanted to see the stock at 80 bucks yesterday, and it did reach 80 bucks yesterday. Now, I think this I'm still expecting the stock to run. I'm still expecting the stock to run. I'm not bearish on it at all. If you're in Fastly, if you got in right before when we started talking about the stock all the way down here at 65, and when we started talking about the stock again at 72, if you got in these levels, again, congratulations. You should be winning right now. You should be in a nice comfy position, and you should just be waiting for the stock to go all the way up to like $100. Yeah, but as of right now, it's perfectly fine. I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem with Fastly at all. I can't wait for it to just keep trickling up and up. And it's just following this trend. So just keep your eye on it. Again, if it misbehaves, it's okay to get out and take your money off the table. But if it's just going steadily in the upward direction, just let it run. Just let it run. I don't have anything negative to say about Fastly at all. All right. Now, the next stock that we should definitely be keeping on your watch list today for a potential short squeeze is GRWG. Yeah. I talked about GRWG yesterday and how there are a lot of beginner short sellers in here in this region. And right now they're not very happy. Like I told you, these people are not very happy. The stock did not collapse here and open up at like $26 or 26.50. It actually is gapping up right now, and it's gapping up pretty nicely. Again, do expect a short squeeze, especially after these people's stop loss get triggered at around $29. Do expect a short squeeze. Personally, I wouldn't go short. It's on a very nice uptrend since the last time we covered it. The crush earnings is going. There is nothing wrong with this stock in my eyes. I think it's gonna get in here to $35 today. Where is it gonna go today? It's probably gonna go to like 31, not to $30.40. Just anywhere in here first. Okay, just anywhere in here. That's where I see the stock going today. So keep your eyes on this one as well. There is another stock that we should definitely be keeping our eyes on for today. That one is FUBU. And FUBU is also doing the same thing, right? FUBU is about to take out the short sellers and is about to run up to $25. FUBU looks really, really good. If you look at it on the 4 hour, it's not tired. The stock is not tired yet. It's not done squeezing shorts. And for all of the stubborn short sellers who got in here, and who got again in here, this is not good. If it holds that level and doesn't tumble below $22 and it stays up here for a long time, it's probably gonna gap up again on Thursday and then again on Friday. So definitely keep that one on your watch list for today as well. Another stock that we should be talking about is Netflix. Let's see if Netflix made a move at all. So Netflix is going sideways again, and that's pretty much pissing off the longs, and it's pissing off the shorts, right? It just doesn't want to go anywhere. It's just going sideways. This is irritating for everybody because nobody is winning. This is very, very aggravating for everyone. So just watch this one for a big move. It's gonna have to make its choice at some point. I'm watching it to the long and to the short side. I'm just patiently watching it. It's either gonna crumble down here to $430 within the next week, or it might actually go sideways some more and then go back up to like 410. So just watch this one again. It's been very stubborn, and a lot of people are angry. I do feel frustration. Like I can literally picture a lot of you just being mad. All of the longs and all of the shorts, like you just want Netflix to just do something so that you can just either get out for the loss or just make some money off the stock. I get it, but right now it's just moving sideways, and it doesn't want to go anywhere, unfortunately. So, so keep this one on your watch list for sure. The next one, y'all asked me to do a review on Intel, and Intel, yeah, watch this one for a pop all the way up to $47, probably by Thursday. Watch this one. Watch this one very closely. I'm not bearish on it. I'm not. Short sellers try to get in here, and the stock is gapping up. This is not the scenario that I personally would go short. I really wouldn't. So yeah, definitely keep this one for a potential long. I don't see any news at all related to the stock, but I'm not bearish on it given the fact that it's up right now. And the market might actually turn it might turn really bullish today. So which can again bring a lot of stocks upwards and push that momentum towards them as well and increase their prices. So definitely keep your eyes on Intel for today. I actually like it. I think it's fine. I don't have an issue with it. Okay. Now another stock that you asked me to do a update on is Cisco. And Cisco is trading sideways after making this move. It's not collapsing yet. I don't have an issue with it. Not yet, at least. I don't have an issue with it. We'll see how it does on Thursday. If it just holds this level, we'll see how it opens up on Thursday because it could make a big move all the way up to $44. So again, yeah, just this one is a hold or keep watching this. Keep watching this. If it breaks below 41.40, then consider getting out for a tiny loss, hopefully. But as of right now, it's just going sideways. So we'll just keep our eyes on this until it decides to make its move. All right. Now, another one that we should be talking about. I saw this one pop up today and I was like, it may be interesting. So let's see how it looks right now. Let's see how it's looking right now. Pfizer. Pfizer is popping up right now. And apparently they have some news about something. Okay. It has some news about something. I like it because there is short sellers in here. I just like it just because of that. Just because there are short sellers in here. And I also like it because it's looking pretty nice in the pre-market chart. So definitely watch this for a long to $38 today. Okay. Definitely watch this one for a long. I covered it in the past when it was right after the vaccine news came out. And I said that I wanted to see it drop to $38, which it did. And then it exceeded my expectations and dropped to $36, which is really, really nice. So this may be a great buy for the long-term investors out there. It keeps trading in this range between 42 and 36. So there could be money to be made in here for y'all who love to trade vaccine stocks. and I think it may make a big move today, given the fact that it's looking the way it is. Short sellers are gonna want to cover right afterwards, and I really don't have a problem with Pfizer at all. All right, so that is the top five stocks and more that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. Again, if you got value from this video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on that notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos, which are released 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released in the afternoon every single day. All right. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. The links are right above me, right here, right above me. Also, if you're a beginner looking to learn the market and looking to get started, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes 15 minutes to get signed up with everything and to have access to this amazing charting tool called Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. It is completely free to use for everybody who signs up. Lastly, you can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link below as well. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you this afternoon. Don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. Monitor the trades and be very careful out there. Today is going to be an interesting day. All right. Might be lots of money coming in. So watch it.